What did it taste like?
I tried to figure it out, and it was like, wait, watermelon? I don't know the flavor of it.
Tastes great. How many pounds?
When I left home, I was 10.
10 pounds down. 10 pounds. How many days?
I weighed 3 weeks.
3 weeks. And tell us your name.
Kelly.
Nalani Rude.
How did you feel on the diet?
It was awesome. I feel great with it. It's sustained energy and not jittery energy, which is huge for me. I don't like that.
Any hunger withdrawals?
No.
How much you lost?
Well, as of Friday morning, it was like 9.8, but after walking all this, I'm sure it's over 10.
Tell us your name.
Hi, Jenny Roberts.
Jenny, how do you feel on the diet?
I feel great, actually. I have sustained energy. I definitely agree. It's not jittery.
A big problem with weight loss is headaches. Any?
None. No.
Incredible.
Yeah, I'm feeling great.
How much do you lose?
I've only been on it a week, and I've already lost maybe about 6.
6 pounds per week.
Michelle Millions.
Rochelle, tell us a little. Here we go. She brought her own fan club again. How long have you been on?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. How much do you lose?
8 pounds.
8 pounds. Okay, here we go, big guy. Tell us your name.
Red Knox.
Red. How long have you been on?
18 days.
18 days. How much have you lost?
11 and a half. 3 inches in the waist. 3 inches in my stomach.
You and I are a lot like each other. We've probably done this weight loss thing before, right?
I've lost 1,000 pounds 20 at a time.
Has this been the easiest ever?
Easiest ever. Taste is great. And by the way, in Las Vegas, Carl and I are going to be beside John LaPresto, making him look like a sissy at the pool.
Tell us your name.
Deborah Ambrose.
Deborah, how long have you been on?
2 weeks and I've lost 14 pounds.
Have you tried before?
I've tried before lots of times.
Has this been the easiest thing ever?
Easiest ever. You're not even hungry.
Give her a big hand.
Down 14 pounds in 3 weeks, but bigger than that, I've lost 12 inches all over.
All right.
Carwell, Franklin, Tennessee.
Tennessee's in the house.
Yes. 22 days and down 14 pounds.
20 days. You work every day. A lot of people who get out and work that are on weight loss are almost worthless because they have no energy, they have no strength, they have no ability to stay focused. And one of the things keto diet does is help you focus. How was your work week?
Amazing, absolutely amazing. Loved it.
Yeah.
It felt great.
If I were to tell you there's only one canvas between you and I, who's going to win?
I'm gonna win.
I have to tell you, when we were talking about new products, I said, Alexy, there's a company out there that in just the last few years has done over $40 million now a month in sales in the keto products, and their product is nasty, it tastes bad, and he chimed in and says, yeah, they got crappy ingredients in it. He said, I can make it better, and what you've done is you've priced it with more expensive ingredients equally well, right? So you were on it?
I've been on it for 3 weeks actually, and just about 14 pounds and a belt size down. So, and actually, you guys probably know how many hours I put in every day. And I was scared when I first changed and started eating to, changing the diet and everything. And man, I felt amazing every day. My brain, my energy level, ridiculous, and I was able to carry through. Even though I was doing only like 5 days a week, and I still got results. So it's like a hair club commercial. I'm not only the CEO and owner,